How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a simple end screen for your geometry dash level. Now I have the simple level right here, and basically let's just make this short in order to demonstrate this properly. And the first thing that you want to do is to design your end screen. Now I'm going to keep it really simple. We're just going to be this emoji right here, or just a face, and then that's going to be it for my end screen. So on your end screen, you want to place any block at all. It doesn't really matter what. In here, click edit group, and then you could make this into something like any group you want to. Just make sure that it won't collide with any other group. So I'll make it something like 10, and then click on extra and just make sure that the no touch and the hide option is enabled. Now from there, we want to head over to our triggers, and then you want to use a specific trigger called the static trigger. So it's going to be on the camera options. You can then place it on where the end screen will take effect. So in my case, it's going to take effect right after doing my last jump right here. Click on edit object, and then the target group is going to be the group that we have targeted right here, which is going to be for our end screen. And then you could do something like easing options, and that's basically it. Just click OK, and then you should be good to go. Once again, you can design your end screen the way you want to. You can add text, effects, and more, but to make things easier, let's just do it this way. And so if we play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this. We will be able to see our end screen, and basically from there, the level will finish eventually. And then that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.